Let us find out how to use drawing tools. The drawing toolbar contains various options to format shapes. Let us create a hut using various shapes. Activity. Select the line tool and draw the outline of the hut. To select the outline of the hut, hold down the Shift key and click on each line individually. Click on the Shape Outline drop-down list in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. Select the Weight option and click on 3-point line. To draw a door, select the Rectangle tool and drag inside the hut. Click on the Shape Fill tool in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab and fill any color of your choice. Now change the outline color of the door by selecting the Shape Outline tool. Select the Oval tool and draw a window in a hut. To duplicate the other window, use Ctrl+C for copying and Ctrl+V for pasting. To make clouds, click on the Callouts option in the Shapes list and select the cloud callout. Now drag the shape and fill gray color in it. To display the rain shower, draw a line and then select the Dashes option from the Shape Outline tool present on the Format tab. Select the square dots and observe the effect. Type the text "Beautiful Hut" and select it. Change the text color by selecting the Font Color tool in the Font group on the Home tab. Students know the fact. To maintain the height and width ratio of a shape, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shape. Okay, let me tell you how to insert word art. The word art feature allows you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Using word art, you can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, shadowed, three-dimensional, etc. Select the text on which you wish to apply the word art effect. Click on the Insert tab. Select the word art option in the text group. Select any word art style from the displayed list. A placeholder appears with the highlighted text, "Your text here." Replace the placeholder text with the text you want. Students, let's know more. Word allows us to change the order of two or more overlapping objects. To do so, click on the Bring Forward or Send Backward option in the Arrange group on the Format tab. Now, let me tell you how to insert clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. Click on the Clip Art button on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group. The Clip Art task pane appears to the right of the document. Type the desired keyword in the Search For text box that is related to the image you want to insert. For example, computer, and click on the Go button. It will display all the clip art images related to computer. View the various clip art images using the vertical scroll bar and click on the desired clip art image to insert it in a document. After inserting the image, close the clip art task pane by clicking on the Close button. Okay, note that you can also click on the drop-down arrow next to the image in the clip art pane to view more options. Students, in Microsoft Office Word 2007, you can also add various shapes, word art, clip art, and drawing tools by using the respective commands on the Insert tab. Let us understand how to add watermark. Watermark can be defined as a dim or faded impression of an image or text on paper which is placed behind the text in your document. Word has a gallery of watermarks to choose from, or you can create your own customized watermark such as company logo for the document. Let us learn how to create a watermark. Open the document in which you want to create a watermark. Click on the Page Layout tab in the Page Background group and choose the Watermark drop-down menu. Select the Custom Watermark option. The Printed Watermark dialog box appears. Select Text Watermark. Choose the language from the Language drop-down menu. Select the font size, style, color and layout of the font. Type the text that you want to appear as watermark in the text box. Click on the Apply button to check the preview of the selected watermark on the page. If you feel satisfied with the watermark, then click OK to close the dialog box. Otherwise, choose another watermark for your page. Students know the fact you can enhance the appearance of your document by inserting pictures in it. To do so, click on the Insert then Picture option. Choose the desired picture from the Insert Picture dialog box and click on the Insert button. Inserting a picture watermark. Select the Picture Watermark option from the Printed Watermark dialog box. Click on the Select Picture button. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Select the picture that you want and click on the OK button. Select the Wash Out checkbox to lighten the picture so that it does not interfere with the text. The selected watermark will be applied on the page. Students note that to add watermark in a Microsoft Office Word 2007 document, go to the Page Layout tab and follow the steps as explained above. Students, let's know more. To insert symbols and special characters in Word document, select the Insert, then Symbols, then Symbol drop-down button. Click on the More Symbols option. Choose the desired symbol from the Symbol dialog box and click on the Insert button.